Hello everybody. Today we're going to be working on the replacement of this heater hose connector on an '09 Dodge Ram 3500. These connectors have an O-ring in them that tend to give out after a period of time, and this is an '09. Got 404,000 miles on it, so I guess we're doing all right. We're going to be replacing it today with this Dorman part 800-416 that I picked up at the local O'Reilly's for about $20, and I just got back from there, so I'm going to let it cool off a bit and then we'll proceed with this. I'm going to start by pinching off the coolant line with a pair of ice grips to try to prevent coolant loss. And with a second pair of ice grips, I'm going to loosen the clamp and try to remove the hose. And I'll just tuck those back there against the back of the valve cover. And I'm going to rotate this around so that I have access to the little pins that hold the clamp on. And squeezing those in, this piece comes right off, and the piece below it should come right off. There we go. And there's an O-ring up in there that wears out over time and lets things wiggle around and leak. After cleaning the area with a rag, nice smooth surface for the new O-ring, I'll push the new one back on there. And with the new one in place, I'll bring the hose back around and slide it back on and release that clamp and release the other clamp, and that's all there is to it. It's in there. Now to fire it up and see if there's any leaks. It doesn't appear to be leaking. I'll let it run for a while and check it again, but that was a quick and easy fix to what I thought might have been an expensive heater core leak.